Right, so I've found my spare filter. That I can't remember the Bosch part number, but I'll put the Bosch part number in the comments in case any of you want a spare one. They're only like 50p. So what I do, put the spring in, put the gauze filter on gently, and then just poke it down in there. So that's sitting down in there, that's fine. Get your banjo bolt. And just put her back. Sometimes they do clog up fairly often, because if there's any paper fibres coming out of that, they sit in that gauze filter. And the symptoms of that gauze filter is that it won't rev as hard. So about 3.5 or something, you'll start to lose a bit of power when you're just revving it because of the fuel flow. And the other symptom is your timing will be ever so slightly retarded because it won't have enough case pressure. So these pumps, the mechanical pumps, they build pressure through the RPM, so the faster you spin it, the more pressure there is inside the pump, which advances the timing piston. So if it can't get the fuel in to make the pressure, there's less pressure, and hence the timing is not as advanced as it should be. So that means less power, higher EGTs, black smoke, all of that stuff. So yeah, that's done. You can give that a couple of pumps to prime it up, but you shouldn't have lost a lot of fuel. Easy peasy.